Wow! Well, it's day 4 of snowpocalypse here in Tennessee. First we got ice, then we got snow, and now we're getting more snow. Not sure if you can see that snow coming down. Are we gonna try and go sledding in this? Try not to focus on the fact that I haven't worked all week and I'm basically losing a whole paycheck. And trying to focus on the fact that I get to spend time with my children and wife and my mom who's in town for the week. So let's focus on that. It looks like it's already losing air pretty good.
What do you think, Carson?
Good.
This is the garden plot. It's covered in snow. Look at that. We are just not prepared for this in this house. This is frozen dinosaur kale, and there's some that are stuck under here, curly, but it actually is not like, I think it's gonna bounce back. I really do. And we might still have kale. Crazy!
Ooh.
Why is everyone throwing snowballs at me? Can I throw? Hey!
My main job this week has been making sure that the chicken's water isn't frozen. So what I've been doing, if you watched the previous video, we got a new chicken watering system, and it has been freezing, but overall we still love it because it's really easy and straightforward. And really, this is so abnormal. We normally don't get snow like this. So what I've been doing to keep the water from freezing, I just bring out a bucket of hot water and bring it in here. I've just been dumping it right on top of there. Get out of there, cats. Come on, kitty, get out. Hey, get out of here. So whatever's going on, just focus on today, enjoy today, and yeah, try not to stress about things you can't control, like snowstorms, shutting everything down. Not to mention I live in Tennessee, so in a week from now, this will all be a distant memory when it melts. See you later.
Here you go, Martha. Oh, come on. You're fine. There you go. You don't like the snow? Tinkerbell. There you go, Tinkerbell. Martha's taking it all. Mary, you want some? No? Okay.